Hi, in this lecture we'll discuss about Spark RDD joins, how to perform joins on RDDs. For this demonstration I have created one department dataset and employee dataset. I am creating new program, scalar class, object, RDD joins, RDD demo, RDD joins demo. Creating main function, creating Spark session, these are the steps for every program. It is common. Okay, as a first step we have to read data sets. Emp data equal to, we have API to read the text files. We have API, right? Spark dot read dot text files. We have to mention path, source, main, resources, emp.txt. What are the columns in that employee file? Employee number, name, salary, department number. I am reading department data, spark dot read dot text file, source, main, so I'm externally converting to RDD. Okay, columns in department data set, department number, team name, location. To perform joins in RDDs, we have to convert that data set to key value pairs. Key should be common column. Okay. In select SQL language, how we will do usually joins between two tables. Inner join, select e dot ename, e dot salary, e dot employee number, d dot department number, department name, d name, d dot location from empe comma dptd, where e dot department number equal to d dot department e dot department number equal to d dot department number. This is the select query we are trying to achieve now using RDD joins. As a second step, we have to convert that employee data set to we have to convert that to key value pairs using map. Mp info equal to emp data. We have to traverse employee data through using map x such that val data equal to x dot split of we have to split each in the file every column separated with the comma, right? So first we have to split that using comma, then val department number equal to, in department number in employee data at the third index, so department of third. So if it is an integer, we have to externally convert to using to int. Employee number val emp number equal to data of employee number, first one 0 dot to int val ename equal to data of 1. Next val sal equal to data of 2 to int val total columns, required columns equal to key value. So in this I am planning to convert to key as a department number, remaining all columns as a value. What are the remaining columns? Employee number plus employee name, name plus cell. So finally I am returning key value pair. So key is department number, value all the remaining columns, that is columns. If you want to check output of this emp info dot collect dot for each of println, see here department number, employee number, name, salary. This is a key, 10 remaining is value. To avoid these info messages, I am adding that lagger. Okay, in the similar way you have to do for a department data set also. So department data set val dept info equal to dept data dot map of x such that val d data 2 equal to x dot split, same like this file also, each column separated with comma, right? So data 2, I want to derive department number as a key, right? Department number is data 2 of 0, data 2 of 0 to int. Remaining columns, DEPT columns, remaining columns in here, remaining columns we can do one more way. Department name equal to dname equal to dname equal to data 2 of 1 val de location equal to data 2 of 2, and I'm returning return type, I'm returning key value pair. Key is a department number, and remaining columns, okay, I will derive columns here. Val decals equal to dname plus location. So returning decals. Here we'll see, we'll print and we'll see what is DEPT info. So far we have as an initial step we have read the source files. As a next step I am converting employee data into key value pairs, department data into key value pairs. In Spark RTD, if you want, see here, this is a employee set. First value is department number, here department number. So key value data is there in the form of key value pairs. Now what we can do? Now we can perform joins. How to do perform joins? Val joins equal to emp info dot join dept info rdd dot join of rdd, second rdd. Now if you do joins dot collect dot for each of printer, we'll see, and how is data looks like now, we'll see. Now we have achieved our required output. Department number, employee name, salary, department name, location. This is our required output, right? This is in the form of key value pairs. Key value again. If you save this output, if you save this output, we'll see. If you want to save this final output as a file, no, what we have to do? Joins dot save as text file. Here we have to give source main resources output file output. Okay, if I execute now, the output folder will be generated in this path. We'll go and we'll see output path folder created. If you want to see output, see part file. You can see part file. So data, it is there in the form of again key value pair. If you want to print properly required columns, again you can apply map. So val final output equal to joins dot map, not this bracket, x such that val emp equal to, this is the tuple, right? X first one, second element. So this is the second element. In second element, first part employee information, first element, val dept equal to x underscore second element, not second element, in that again second, that is these two, sales Chicago. This is first. Underscore 1 means department number. Underscore 2 means value, key, value. Underscore 1 means key. Okay. Now under val total equal to emp plus dpt. Then you have to return total. Then we'll store this final output as a file. So what happened? Some error. Okay, we'll give one more. File already exists, so output the file already there, right? So I give an output 1. So output 1 generated. If you see, so employee number, e-name, salary, department number, Chicago. So in this way we can perform joins in RDD. What we did, we read the input source files. We have converted that source files into key value pairs. Common column will be key, remaining columns value. Then we applied joins. Okay, thanks for watching this video.